Yeah, come on. Are you tired now that I got the video camera out? There she goes. She decided to start walking. There she goes. You kick that sippy cup. She doesn't even want to hold on to my leg. Good job, Autumn. Good job. Let me fix that pant leg. There you go. There she goes. Did you get stuck down there again? Whoops. Was that enough? You did good. Good job walking. Really walking for the first time. It's hard work.